this mug right here. This dude stay in my neighborhood too. This mug is clean, bro. I think he should change the wheels, but it's original suicide doors. They look like some 20s on here. Me personally, guys, I would put some 24-inch 4G Auto 100 spokes. But this car is freaking sick. I tried to buy it from him, but he won't sell it. He said he was still working on it. But this mug is for sure long as hell. This mug is freaking sick. It sounds good too. Yeah, mug nice.
It's 2020. And I ain't got time for no fake ass shit, nigga. I'm straight thugging. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Alright guys, this video is sponsored by Seatbeltsplanet.com. Seatbeltplanet.com. Guys, I know y'all can see something different in the actual charger. Do y'all see it? If y'all don't see it, y'all slow, because one, I just said this video is sponsored by Seatbeltplanet.com. Your boy got those icy flame red seat belts, bruh, to complement the black leather. So I'm gonna get my girls opinion about it. Come on, sit down. Sit down. Say hi, Giselle.
Hi.
Girl, you extra loud, Jayla. What the heck is wrong with you, bro? Everybody say hi, Jayla.
Hi.
All right, guys. Do you notice something different in the charger?
Oh, the seatbelt.
Whoop whoop. Giselle, look at your seatbelts.
What? Why does it feel so light?
Yeah. You like them?
Yeah.
You like the red? You think it look good?
Yeah.
Go put your seatbelt on. Go sit in the middle. Sit your seatbelt on.
There's a seatbelt in the middle.
Yeah, you never noticed because they wasn't red. They wasn't red. You like it? You don't have to put it on, Giselle. I just want you to see it. Y'all like them?
Yeah.
Out of 1 to 10. Don't it contrast?
It
feels good though.
Yeah.
It feels like slicky.
Weird. It feels weird.
It feel the fabric. Feel it.
Doesn't feel like like it bends easily too.
Yeah, it feels good.
So if you fall asleep,
It can stretch out.
Yeah.
It can stretch out.
But look though, pull it real fast. It still locks. You gotta do it fast. Bro, you suck. Look, if you pull it real fast, guys, it's still locked. Pull it real fast. See, like when you get in a wreck, it's supposed to, because you jerk real fast, you go like that. That you just did it, but yeah.
That's cool.
Do it real fast, super fast. Fast! See? There you go. Yeah, guys, so these seat belts are freaking amazing. Look at them! Oh, it smells good too. Smell it.
Why are you smelling?
It don't smell. It smells
It
good.
don't smell like nothing.
Yeah, I don't.
It smells like new car. Yeah, guys, so something your mommy don't have. It's kind of dark in here, huh? It's kind of dark in here, huh? Giselle, pull that back.
Wow.
Say,
I
hold
can't
on.
do it.
Say, mommy, look at the camera. Say, mommy, you ain't got this.
Mom, you don't have this.
Woo! Let it be light. Let it be light.
You know your thing was open?
Yeah. Then you close it just like that. If you want to open it, all the way back.
I've never seen it open like that.
Ooh, golly. Yeah, see, your mama needs something like this.
We have to sit in the dark all the time.
Yep, sit in the dark. What y'all think about the seatbelt stuff?
I like
Cool.
So, Seatbelt Planet actually sponsored this video, guys. The seatbelts, like I said, it's damn near better than OEM. The quality, y'all can't feel it. Can y'all feel it? Put your hand down and feel it, guys. Hold on. Your hands.
How they gonna feel it?
Hold on, just watch. Yeah, it feel good, didn't it? I told you, guys. So yeah, I love the seatbelts. It makes the charger actually pop. And then right here, as you can see, I got that 200 on the dash in red, as you can see. And then also I got the SRT in red.
This is new?
No, that came like that.
Oh.
But it matches. Everything matches. So what I like about the flame red versus the they have another color. If you watch my previous video with this seat belts, they have another color. It's like a burgundy color that came with the Chargers versus the bright red. But the bright red pops because if you go on the outside of my car. So overall, what y'all rate the seat belts? 1 to 10. 10 is the best.
10.
10.
100.
No, because if you fall asleep, you know how like when you wake up with something like the seatbelts like kind of hurting your neck, like it like folds easily when you.
Daddy, I need.
So basically, it goes with your neck. Hold on, let's go outside. Let's go outside real fast. Hey, see if you look at the red seat belts, it just goes with everything, and then everything looks so freaking good in here. Just look at the seat belts, man. It just makes it pop. You even go cut it off. Cut it off. Yeah. It even goes with my backpack. Right there, bro. These red seat belts.
Did she buckle the seatbelt back up?
No. But I'm about to. Do that one.
Is that a hole? In the way.
Why y'all doing that?
Very good. So yeah. Giselle, take my backpack inside. The backpack in the back. Oh, do this one too, Jayla.
I can do it.
Do it. Thought you said you could do it.
I do.
Y'all see what I gotta deal with these crazy little girls? Go take my backpack in the house, Giselle.
Damn, was on one phone.
Giselle, give my backpack. Where's she going? Giselle!
She said you should take it in the house.
Oh, you already gave it to her?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Okay. Close the sunroof. Ugh. But other than that, Jay, what you think? You like the seatbelts?
Yeah. Are you gonna leave it like that?
Like what?
Keep them all buckled up?
No, girl, we gotta put them on when we get in the car. I'm just doing it for a thumbnail. So I'm here at the storage. Let me take off these nice flame red seatbeltplanet.com seatbelts, guys. Stopped at my storage to put some stuff in here from when I get the airbags from Mod Effects. So I had to do that real quick. I need to organize the storage. Oh, wrong key, right key. Dang, is this the wrong storage? Oh, wrong storage. It is a disaster in here. Disaster. Disaster, disaster, disaster. I'm gonna put y'all right here. Hopefully y'all don't fall or nothing. So here's the regular seat belts. So they actually send your factory seat belts back. number 1. Come on, push number 1. On the key, on the airbags. That shit hard. So I'm gonna leave this in here. I need to take. I really need to take this out. Damn, can I take this out? Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just took this thing out. Crazy part is, these factory rims is about to go back onto the actual charger. I gotta get mine fixed. But yeah, I try to have everything organized as much as possible. These tires is going to my wife's storage. I'm about to put this back into the charger. I'm just trying to get everything organized, man, because I just hate having my storage all freaking messy. But there's a lot of stuff I have to get freaking done. So I got that. I need the amp. This is the mid muffler delete. That can stay in there. This needs to go right here. Mid muffler delete to go over here. And all this can go with me because I want to put my subs back up. Yep. And I have to come back and use the rest of this stuff later. But the subs. Subs in there, can't wait to hook those up. And then I need all these speaker wires. All this stuff. I think I'm gonna have to reorder some stuff because I think I left some stuff into the charger and didn't take it out. But it's all good in the hood. Back organized. I need to drop these off. I'm giving these to somebody, I forgot their name, but when I get a chance I'll drop those off to Motofix. Still need to hook up these subwoofers to the box Corey gave me. Just been so freaking busy, bro. This crap. There's so much stuff in here, bro. There's like so much stuff in here I really don't want to see here. But other than that, man, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Huge shout out to Seatbelt.com. I mean, Seatbelt Planets. Huge shout out to Seatbelt Planets, guys. Like I said, man, these seatbelts are a game freaking changer. Game changer. The red complements everything on the car. So my car actually plays everything, but I have all their links and all that stuff in the link in the description, guys. But yeah, just look how the seatbelts. Let me put the window down. I know my tint is dark, but boy, your boy can actually. Is my windows locked? Damn, my windows locked. Hold on. And this is like my first time putting my windows down. But look at that, guys. Y'all can't say that crap don't look good. So when your boy has the seatbelts down, I'm riding in class. So, man, pretty much my car look like a peppermint. That's fine with that. I'm fresh as hell anyway. So, other than that, man, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video. This is Robbie, on the budget. Peace. Hold on, before I go. Dang, should I keep these? Hey, babe, this look good in the trunk, huh? Should I keep these? Should I keep them? That boy look good in the trunk. What y'all think? Comment below. And the only sucky thing is that, oh, they still got the hole right there. They just didn't put the thing there no more. Hey, should I keep them? Should I get them repainted? What y'all think, man? Comment below. What y'all think? Oh no, your boy might keep them down. What y'all think? Comment below, let me know.